This is an introduction to Pixton.com where you will complete your country comic. You are going to be using the 4 reasons that you wrote earlier in this lesson and that I have already graded and approved. You've logged in. On yours, it will say 5th grade class over here on the left. You will click on that and see this assignment. All right? So we want to open this assignment now and see what we need to do. So you've clicked open assignment and this is what you will see. This is an example of a comic that I created for Germany. This follows what is listed on the website. This is your introduction frame. This is reason 1, reason 2, reason 3, reason 4, and then the concluding. All right, when you are ready to start, you will click create a comic, but I want to just go over a couple more things. Notice just a simple sentence here, simple sentence here. These should be directly from your 4 reasons. All right, you can use a background that's within Pixton for the introduction and for the conclusion. If you happen to find a picture that you would like to use for those, fine, but you do not have to. All right, now let's go ahead and create a comic. You are going to choose Sunday Funny and click Create. You are going to choose this layout, 6 even frames. It does take a second to load. Do not rush it. Do not click a second time. It will just slow it down even more. Now, you're going to click right there and title it. You could say Visit Germany. I think that's what I called the other one. So I'll title this Visit Germany 2. Okay. Then you're going to click on your first frame. Now, the very first thing I want you to do is put in your text. So you're going to click here. You click right here to add a speech bubble. You see one is already here. You can just click on it and you'll see the cursor shows up. You can put in something simple. Okay, then you're just going to click on add a panel. Oh, okay, a little mistake there. You don't click the plus sign. That's going to add a panel to the bottom, which we don't want. We'll worry about that later. Just click on the next blank frame. You can see I did it here. Okay, it's going to duplicate what you did here. It's not a problem. You just click in the box, highlight the text, and put in your reason. You've already put reason 1 in over here. Okay, whatever that might be. You click here. Again, do it again. And continue here with reason 4 and then your conclusion. You can change the text bubble right here. You have all these different options of what you can change it to. You can also add a connector. Whoops. Again, sometimes you have to play with this. I think you can't add the connector until you have a character in there. That's possible. You can see sometimes it takes just a little bit of playing. You can always drag something to the trash can. Okay, so clicking on it, you have these options. You can change the text size. Just move it up and down. You can change the font. All kinds of fonts to choose from. You can change the background color to your speech bubble. Remember, we're clicked on the speech bubble right now, so that's what it's going to be doing. All right, and you can actually just steer away from recording sound. We don't need to get that involved with this one. Okay, next thing you're going to do is you are going to put in your photos. Now on this one I said you could just pick a background, and there are a lot of backgrounds in here, so you could actually pick something that might go along with your country. Like even here, this would be perfect for France. There's forests here that could go, or like the jet plane. Okay, so we'll go ahead and pop that in. All right. Then here you're going to add in your photos. So we've done our speech bubbles. Now we're going to add in our photos. So this is already in here. Let's say my image is not in here. So you're going to upload an image. You are going to go to your Google Drive. Now I'm just going to go to my pictures here on my computer and click on this picture. You do not need to title it, and it will upload it. Click on it and it will insert it. It pretty much automatically sizes, but you can change the size if you want to. I wouldn't turn it. You got to get it on the right spot. There you go. Okay. So, and then you will insert your picture here, the second photo here, third photo here, fourth photo here. In your concluding one, again, you can use a background. Whoop, I wanted to do background. Oh, let's just say we pick that, okay? And then you're done with adding the backgrounds. The last thing you're going to do is you are going to add a character. And this is to be done last. Otherwise, you'll take too much time playing with the character and not working on the other information. So we're just going to click on this character. Now, when you have your character, you can do lots of things with your character, okay? You can make her bigger, or him, or smaller, okay? It needs to be a person, not an animal. You will find animals in there, and you can't do that. This is for moving. This is to edit the expression. And there's preset ones in here. Oh, boy, some of these are sort of, okay. Random expressions. You can pick a random pose, or you can go to preset poses. Okay. I will let you explore the character. Now, once you make your character the way you want, you can, there's other things you can do here, even with the preset pose, move and whatnot. Okay, and I will let you explore that. You can even like change the color of the pants. Let's say I want to go to pink with the shirt. Okay. Now, once you have it, okay, once you have the character the way you want it, you can click on your character, then right click and click duplicate, and it's going to make an identical character. Now you can drag that over to the next scene. Well, hold on a second. Oh boy, I want to bring it to front so it shows up, so I'm going to grab it. Hopefully it'll, well, I'm going to click on this picture and whoops. Okay, sorry about that. So we're going to go here and we're going to click paste character, and it pastes it right on top. Now, you don't have to leave it the same way. You can change it, change her with, you know, make her stand up straight. Whoops. You can see all the different ways you can turn her. Okay, so whatever you want to do with her. All right. And then again, you can copy it into each of the other scenes. Okay. So text first, backgrounds and photos. and then your character. And then you can add any other embellishments that you would like, but it does have to be in by the due date. When you are finished, you will scroll down to the bottom, click Save and Continue. Now, if you don't finish it in one setting, just click Save for later and it will save it, and when you log in again, you'll find it. But when you're done, you're going to click Save and Continue. And then on the next page, it will actually say Submit. Okay, and if you want to enter some kind of comment in when you submit it, I'm not going to go to the next page, but that's what you're going to do when you're finished. All right, enjoy creating.